Hi friends, this is the Rouge Signature Lipstick 1-to-1. I choose long wear and comfort wear lipper. This is a long wear lipstick. This is the second shade 116 I explore. It's a color impact of a liquid lip care. And another is a third one, lipsticks 114 I represent. It's a high pigment lipsticks, long wear lipstick. It's so beautiful, nice. Another is a color. Next I show you friends. This is a 115 I'm worth it. It's a liquid satin like a texture. It's a lightweight. It's a brush application, easily application. Another, this is the next color is, I will show you a 1-to-6 I play. It's my favorite color, matte feather finishing, long wear, full day stay-on. Another one, next and last, is a best to best color, all regular routine use and party wear use. 103 I enjoy is a Rouge Signature best color. Bye friends.
That's it, friend.